Hi, today we're taking a look at this plastic welding gun I got off AliExpress, under 20 euros delivered. In the box, a couple of packets of staples, one page of instructions, safety precautions. Model number is H for Hotel 50, 220 volts and 50 watt power. Okay, so we got 4 different shapes of staples. The one we're going to be testing out today is the squiggly shape. I think that's going to be the most useful for joining 2 cracked pieces of plastic. Basically, you just insert it into the end and you're ready to go. So you press the trigger, that heats up, you sink it into the plastic, we're done. Let's see how hot it actually gets and how quick it heats up. Yeah, so that heats up pretty quick. We're getting 175 degrees Celsius. That's about 350 Fahrenheit. So that's way more than enough to melt plastic. Okay, so I found this laptop cover which is snapped in 2. Normally we would just super glue this, maybe a bit of super glue and baking soda, but I think the plastic welder be a better choice for this. The plastic welding machine is advertised and designed for plastic bumper repair, automobile repair obviously. So pressing the trigger, I'm not applying any pressure. The staple sinks into the plastic and done. Yes, that looks like a very good fix. This is definitely a useful tool to have in the workshop for the price. When you're gluing 2 plastic parts together, to also add a mechanical bond like this, especially if you're doing it from the back, not able to see the staple, definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.